Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy one page from to another page in Google Sheets. So get let's started. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video I will show copy one page from another page. Now going to the file menu option. Now click for open. Now find your file. Now click for a file. Now click for open. Then open your file. In this copy one page from another page. Now going to the again file menu option. Now click for a make a copy option. Then you show file name copy. Now click for a tick mark. Share it with the same people. Now again click for a copy comments. Now tick mark. Now click for a tick mark include resolved comment. Now click. Then click for a make a copy. It's for loading. Now click for a sheet option. Now for click. Then click for a copy to. Now click for new separator. Then show sheet copy successfully. Now click for open separate sheet. Now for click. That's it. Then I show copy one page from another page in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.